Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Call of Duty Warzone, the application has unexpectedly stopped working error, so you can stop crashes and play smoothly again. First, restart your PC, because temporary system glitches are a common cause of sudden game crashes. Next, update your graphics drivers to the latest version, since outdated drivers often trigger this error. After that, verify the game files through Steam or Battle.net to repair any corrupted or missing data. You should also close all background apps like browsers, Discord, and recording software to free up system resources. Another important step is to disable overlays, such as Discord or GeForce Experience, because they can cause instability. Also, make sure your Windows system is fully updated for better compatibility. If the issue continues, try lowering your in-game graphics settings to reduce GPU load. Finally, restart your PC and launch the game again, and the error should be fixed. Subscribe the channel for more videos.